Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And today guys, I'm gonna do the setup of the Tagry X08. And as you can see here guys, I have the newly unboxed Tagry X08 and I'm gonna set it up for the first time. And I'll be using my main phone. So of course here I have some extra stuff. In the unboxing, these were actually in the box in a section, so we had actually missed these. So you do actually get extra tips in case your ears are a little bit larger or smaller, and of course you do get a USB Type-C cable. All right, so to charge it up, and the first thing you should do is open these up, and while you open them up, go ahead guys, and just open them up, close them, and allow them to charge. All right, so that's gonna get the additional charge, and of course it comes preloaded with some tips. All right, so if your buds are charged, the next thing we're gonna do guys is to go ahead and get my phone. So as you can see here, this is my device. All right, so we're gonna pair this with the Tagry X08. All right, so in order to do this, we're gonna go ahead, and what we have to do is we have to go ahead and open them up. Next, we're gonna swipe down. All right, we're gonna go into Bluetooth. So open up your Bluetooth, it's gonna search. And of course, if it doesn't find them, all you're gonna do is close and reopen. Allow it to search properly. If they're not detected, simply go ahead and remove them. So we're gonna remove the buds. These are magnetic. So go ahead and get them out. All right, so once you get them out of the case, we're gonna try again. So simply go back to Bluetooth. And there you go, they say X08. So they should be blinking like this once you remove them from the case. So go ahead and select. It says pairing. And it says paired with X08. We're gonna hit pair. All right, we are now paired. As you can see, it says Bluetooth, and they are now connected. And of course, they are no longer blinking, and they are now connected to your device. All right, so that was very easy. Remember to change out the tips in case these are not appropriate. And please guys, as always, I ask of you to go ahead and like or subscribe. All right, we'll have the review in a while. So see you in the next one guys. Bye.